what extent does culture influence the way someone views the world? Have you ever wondered what it was like to see the world from a different perspective? Everyone around the world comes from different cultures and views the world differently than others. Although many believe that one's culture impacts how they view others and the world based on their own cultural experiences and views, others may believe that one's culture does not impact their views because time is not the same as it used to be. Culture is the customs, arts, social institution, and achievements of a particular nation, people, or other social group. Culture is a big factor of how you view the world. Everyone has different morals, traditions, outlooks on things in life. The first piece of text evidence I chose was, "Oh my dears, those are too much for me. Suppose I give you pretty English names. Wouldn't that be more jolly? Let's see now. Pamela for you, I think." She shrugged in a baffled way at my sister. "That's as close as I can get. And for you," she said to me, "how about Cynthia? Isn't that nice?" Each culture comes with a variety of many different names for each gender that some from other cultures might not find familiar. Racism is also taught more in certain cultures than it is in others. The second piece of text evidence I chose was, "But I didn't at first. It was enough that she had offered it to me, and after that, every time I saw it in my parents' living room, standing in front of the bay window, it made me feel proud as if it were a shiny trophy that I had won back." Passing down items can teach generations about valuing important objects in their life. Passing down items can also teach younger generations to be more grateful about items. The third piece of text evidence I chose was, "People are not born with equal opportunity. I was born in one of the poorest cities in the world. I was born brown, I was born female, and I was born Muslim in a world that is pretty suspicious of us for reasons I can't control." Everyone was born into and practices different cultures. Prejudice is passed down in families. The opposing viewpoint is, how does culture not impact someone's viewpoint of the world? First piece of text evidence I chose is, in the article "Social Media Shaping the Way We See the World or Shaping the New World Itself" by Astana Times, says, "Social media has established new ways of communicating and creating perceptions between businesses and consumers, organizations and their audiences, political offices, and their electorate. With that, you can communicate with people from different cultures and beliefs." The second piece of text evidence I chose was, according to Understanding the Impacts of Social Media, Pros and Cons by Simply Learn, it states, "One positive impact of social media is in the distribution of information in today's world. Platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and others have made it possible to access information at the click of a button. Social media posts news articles to give out info about people around the world and the world in general." My own personal experiences are, I show everyone that I come across respect. I do not judge someone based on their cultural experiences and basic life experiences. In conclusion, growing up with different morals within your culture affects the way you look at people and the world. Social media also has a big role with how you look at the world.